Hey, how you guys doing? It's time. Put that on there. I need a couple of things. I need help, so I'm waiting on that. Meanwhile, I got a couple of things I need to do. I've got lowering shackles to put on here. I think it'd be way easier to do it now than later. So I'm going to put those on now. And I decided I want to cut a little corner off the bottom of that. I think it's going to show on with the bed on there. So anyhow, come on along. Just take some tension off of there. I decided to put the zerk towards the back because I think mainly it's going to be pointing up. If I put it on the front, it'd be pointing down. I won't be able to get to it. Plus, road junk's going to get all over that grease on it. So that's my plan. So I'm going to leave these loose until I get the weight on the pickup, and then I will come back and tighten these up after the fact so that they're not bound, so that the pickup can actually sit where it's supposed to rest. So hopefully I did my measurements right. I pre-notched the bed rail that sits right here because the shackle's longer and it's possibly going to swing up there. So I pre-notched that, hoping I got enough clearance for that. But I did get the shackles on. I got the back of the frame cut. And that rubber neck on. So anyhow, I'm going to have to wait a little bit, get some help, and we'll get that box thrown on the pickup. Also, I need to get this on the pickup just to get it out of my way. Still got the fenders, tailgate, and steps and little things like that to get painted. I don't have any room in here with the pickup for sure, especially with the box. So getting the box on the pickup and back out will be really good. Okay, so we got the bed bolted on, and earlier we got the floor bolted down, front panel on, and I threw on the lights and things of that nature. Now, I pre-cut that filler neck area, and I'm glad I did, but almost needed to be a little bit more and moved back a little bit just because of this. But I don't know exactly where this is going to have to be. When I get the fender on and this in place, I'll know. Meanwhile, I'll watch this. I might have to trim that a little more, and I can come back and do that. I just was kind of hoping to have some paint on it when I was done with it. Anyhow, so we'll get the fenders painted, tailgate painted, and the other little parts, and we'll get them put on. And then that notch on that frame rail, you could see where it would have hit coming across. Notching that ahead of time made that a lot easier to get to. It's been really hard to notch that out in place.
Get some more paint done.